Thanks for joining in, guys. In today's short episode, I'd like to share with you why a seller might want to sell their house to an investor as compared to traditional sale through agent. See, when a seller sells directly to investor, there are a few advantages that they can enjoy. So let's dive right into it. So first one is that you as an investor, you buy property as is, meaning what you're looking at is what you're getting. You're not asking them for any cleanups or any repairs or anything like that. So basically that's a big one. And the second one is there's no financing contingency involved. So you have the money, you're either paying by cash or hard money. So there's like no lender involved, there's no approvals from third party where an appraisal might come in lower than the offer that you made. So nothing like that. So that's a big one. And the third one is flexibility. You buy property on seller's time frame. Basically, if seller wants to quickly close, which could be 10 to 15 days depending on how much time the title company takes to clear the title, you can buy in that short of a time frame. Or you're also willing to work with them to close in 35, 40 or 60 days, or because you want to get the deal done, you're flexible and you're willing to work with seller to get that deal done. So that's another big one. And then fourth one is that there's no commission involved. So traditional sale usually costs 5 to 6% of the sale price. So that's a big one. They don't have to pay anything to anybody. They get to keep that money. So the fifth one is there's no hassle of traditional sale. So they're not preparing the house, they're not scheduling showing, they don't have people coming around their house doing walkthroughs and stuff like that. You basically go once, hopefully with your contractor, and you get the numbers and make them an offer, and that's about it. Rarely somebody goes, second time or third time. You might want to have like a contractor stop by if he didn't go with you first time. So that's, the seller gets to keep their privacy. And the last one I can think of is that once you make an offer, you buy the house for that price. So there's like no renegotiations or anything like that. So that's about it. So hopefully you found something valuable in this episode. If you did, make sure to hit the like button below and feel free to share with anyone that might benefit from this information. My goal is to, get the information out to new investors or new wholesalers